Guys, today something absolutely I love it, and my family, Enrico and my Zuzi, they love it. Wow, we're gonna do basically one ragu, white ragu, bianco ragu. Basically, I'm gonna clean the fridge. I use some carrots, aubergine, leek, onion. I'm gonna use some mushrooms, and I use pork mince, but you can use any mince you like. Some garlic, some coriander I'm gonna put on the top. If you have some stock, we're gonna need it, okay? And always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel, and check our website cookingwithanitalia.com. We are not master chef, but we do very good stuff, al bacio. Okay? Basically, for cook this, we need around 15, 20 minutes. The time the meat is done, is ready. 20 minutes a lot. But anyway, the pan is already on. A generous. If you need some snoring, is my dog, my French bulldog is beautiful, called Rocco. Anyway, we go in with garlic. This is half onion. The meat is around 800 grams. Carrot, because they need to cook a little bit. And soon, when they brown a little bit, we're gonna add meat. Very, very simple and Mediterranean. Always. Few minutes and we add the meat, okay? Okay. Done. Now we are in with the mince. Try to break a little bit like that. If you want, you can add some a little bit wine. Okay, and leave now to cook. Often stir it and put a lid on and leave to cook. Often stir it, okay? This, I don't know when it's gonna be 6-8 minutes. The flame gonna be quite medium high. We can add the leek as well. The last I want to add the aubergine. I wait a little bit more. But later here you can put everything you like. Courgette, green pea. I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna add some sugar snaps. You know, use your fantasy. You know, and leave them to cook. Now, if you notice, I take the lid off. Now I leave to cook a little bit more. And I'm gonna start add the salt, peppers, pepper. I'm gonna add some stock. And later, if you don't have stock, just you can leave the just add some water. It's not. We cook for family, you know. Yeah, we go. In the end, I'm gonna add these beautiful mushrooms. I love mushroom, guys. This is champignon, but you can use any. Okay, guys. Alright. Now I'm gonna add some concentrated vegetable stock. You know, you can use any stock you have. I'm gonna finish it. This I make. Later I can show you. Okay, I add all. Now we can add some salt and pepper, how much you like. Garlic powder as well. Of course, always guys, if you like. Sweet paprika powder. And I add a couple teaspoons of tomato puree. Oh, the smell, guys. Ooh. It's super. Basically now we only have to cook a little bit more. Definitely we're gonna add some water. Oh yeah, beautiful. This is one small aubergine I had in the fridge. I just cut in the cube and leave it in. It's nice flavor anyway. And the mushroom and the sugar snaps we're gonna in the end, because I like the crunchy as well the mushrooms. Okay, we definitely here we're gonna need some water. Don't gonna be like soup, but don't gonna be dry, because this is gonna be my dinner. I wanna cook maybe just boil rice, or you can have a pasta with this, or just like it is. Some noodles, up to you. Okay? Leave to cook. Now we put the lid again. Flame maybe medium. Wow, guys, it's this is already 15 minutes. I think it's gonna be another. I cook another 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes with the aubergine, and later I'm gonna add the mushrooms. But in this time you can start cut your mushroom the way you like. I like quite nice and big, you know, like this. This is up to you, you know. Cut the mushroom the way you like, because the mushroom later they. And now, guys, it's almost ready. I add the mushrooms. It's hard like this because I like a lot mushroom, eh? I put everything. Now lid on. Leave to cook a little bit. Later we start move a little bit, okay? You see, guys? They start reduce, you know? Beautiful. Oops. Wow. Beautiful. Now, I like this. It's time to add some of this. And they cook together. And this is like, check the salt again and lid on and leave to cook until the mushroom they reduce completely. Okay, and in the end we're gonna add a nice fresh coriander on the top. This is quite it's a nice ragu, but as well is when you have a lot veg in the fridge, stuff to clean, it's perfect. You see, guys? Oh, look at, guys, basically this one is ready. You're gonna check the salt and pepper. Now I leave this oops, without lid, to reduce some water, job is done. Okay? Beautiful. Wow, the smell is absolutely mwah, al bacio. Try the salt and pepper. Maybe I'm gonna add some more salt. You know, the stove, or you like to dry? I like gonna dry a little bit. That's why leave without lid if you want that. Hide the flame, and when it's reduced, it's done. Okay, guys, look at that. Turn it off. Whoa, look at that. Now, if you like, add some coriander on the top. Delicious. Guys, look at that. What am I gonna say? This is my white ragu. Clean fridge, call how you like, but it's absolutely mwah, al bacio, delicious. And always, guys, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.